If you want to buy something on GoDaddy, whether that's a domain, hosting, email, a website builder, or an SSL certificate, this video will walk you through the full checkout process step by step. I'll show you how to find the product you need, add it to your cart, remove any extras you don't want, and complete your purchase safely and confidently. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and website guides. Alright, let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy and log into your account. If you do not already have one, you may need to create an account before you can continue. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to browse products and purchase whatever you need for your website or online business. Now, use the search bar or homepage options to look for the product you want to buy. GoDaddy usually makes it easy to find the main categories, so you can choose from things like a domain name, web hosting, business email, website builder, or an SSL certificate. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the right product because the checkout process will be a little different depending on what you select. After you find the product you want, click Add to Cart. This places the item into your shopping cart so you can review everything before paying. If you're buying a domain, double check the spelling and make sure it's the name you actually want. If you're buying hosting or another service, check that the plan includes the features you need. Once the item is added, click View Cart. This takes you to the cart page where you can review your order in more detail. From there, click Continue to Cart if GoDaddy shows that option. This step helps you move deeper into the checkout flow and lets you see all the items and add-ons included with your purchase. Now take a careful look at the cart. GoDaddy often suggests extra add-ons during checkout, and while some of them can be useful, many users do not need them right away. If you see anything you don't want, remove the extra add-ons before continuing. This is a great way to keep your order clean and avoid paying for features you don't plan to use. Next, choose your plan period. Depending on the product, GoDaddy may let you select monthly, yearly, or multi-year billing. The longer term may sometimes offer better value, but the right choice depends on your budget and how long you plan to use the service. Make sure you read the plan details carefully before moving on. When everything looks correct, click Ready for Checkout. This takes you to the payment stage where you can choose how you want to pay. GoDaddy usually offers several payment methods, so select the one that works best for you. Enter your payment details carefully and make sure your billing information is accurate so your order goes through without delays. After that, click Review Order. This is one of the most important steps because it gives you one last chance to check everything before the purchase is finalized. Review the product name, billing period, price, taxes, and any optional services you kept in the cart. If something looks off, go back and fix it now before completing the payment. Finally, once everything looks good, complete the purchase. After the order is confirmed, GoDaddy will process your payment and you'll be ready to start using your new product. If you bought a domain, you may want to connect it to a website or email setup fixed. If you bought hosting, you can begin building your site right away, and that's it. You now know how to buy on GoDaddy from start to finish. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.